Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have my next design team package for you today that I want to share. I am super excited to be working with the Echo Park Winnie the Pooh Baby collection. It's really cute and you're going to absolutely love it. So let's go through what I've received and then go down in my description box. All the links will be there so you can go run to the store and grab your supplies, and I will be back as soon as I can with a great project for you, okay? So let's get started with the ribbons. So I received this just absolutely gorgeous ribbon here. This is called Antique Ivory Checkered Ribbon in the light green, and it's just absolutely adorable. So I got 2 yards of that, 2 yards of natural seam binding, 2 yards of the light blue jute, and then look at this, you guys, pom-pom trim. I got pom-pom trim, and this is in yellow, and it's just adorable. So I got a lot of fibers to go with this, and then I also received some super cute ephemera packs. So I got the ephemera pack here, and then the titles and phrases, and I'm hoping that you can see what's in the package. Let me get it a little bit closer. There's some really, really cute little things in here, and it's like, it's Winnie the Pooh. It's so dang adorable. Wait till you see the paper though. You guys are going to love the paper. It is so cute, and it's going to be adorable for baby. Okay, so along with that, I also received a package of the Tonic Pearlescent cardstock. 5 sheets come in this. It's 8.5 by 11. It's absolutely phenomenal, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer paper that is just absolutely beautiful. I love using this for matting, especially on the covers. It really gives a pop of color. So I love that. And then check this out. Look at this paper. So this is so dang cute. Winnie the Pooh Baby. I just think it's adorable. I like the colors. These would go great for a boy or a girl. And I love that this has a full page. So if you wanted to use this for, you know, like a 12 by 12 layout, you totally could. I received 2 pieces of each of the pattern papers. So on the back of that are stars. Then we have this really cute stripe paper here. And on the back of this, just adorable little daisies. It's called So Sweet Stripes. It's really cute. I love that. Here's this beautiful plaid, which is gorgeous. Don't you love the colors? I think the colors are so pretty. Peekaboo plaid is what this one is called. Excuse me, I can't talk very well today. I'm really tired. Okay, here's some of the cut apart papers. So I got 2 of each of these. And again, I love all the different sizes. I can do lots of things with that. Look, there's even cute little 1x1s up here. But this is just so cute. This is an adorable little collection. I just think it's just cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep one aside so that I can use the cut aparts, and then I'll use the second one for this beautiful pattern back here. All right, that's what I do with my cut aparts. I take one out of the 2 that I get, and I set them aside, and then use the other one for the pattern on the back. Cute Piglet, Tigger. This is called Winnie's Buddies. This is a beautiful, look at that. Isn't that not cute or what? Super cute. Look at little piglets in there in the flowers. I love it. This is another daisy paper with a yellow background. And then on the back of that is this beautiful green. It's called Oh Baby Daisies. Love it. Here's another cute one with all of the characters in this collection with Tigger and Piglet, Eeyore, Winnie. Oh, and look at that. The 100 Acre Wood. Love it. Friends Forever is what it's called. Very cute. Very cute. So here is another piece. Has the baby blocks. Now, I just recently had a baby collection where I did a block project with that. I thought that turned out really cute. I will do something different with this one. I'm not going to copy myself, but I'm just saying. This is cute, the 4x6 cut aparts. It's a happy sort of day. A baby is on the way. I love that. that's so cute. So cute. And then the back of that, this is so cute. I love the patterns. I do. I think it's really cool. And I love the color scheme. I just think it's adorable. Here's the 3x4 cut aparts. And on the back of that, we've got the yellow polka dots. You guys, this is going to be a fun paper collection to work with. And this one here is the green hearts. And on the back of that, we've got awesome. Just awesome. 3x3 cut up parts. Yep. All right. And then we have our stickers. We've got all of the characters in there. We've got the honey pot. We've got all the things. Super sweet collection. So again, I got 2 papers each of the pattern papers, and then I got 1 sheet of the stickers, the 12x12 stickers, and then I also received the coordinating cardstock. So I got 2 sheets of each of that, and the colors, the one side, here's the color scheme there, and then when you turn these over, you've got these colors back here. So we've got the blue, brown, tan and green, and yellow and orange, which obviously are perfect for this collection. And then I have 2 pieces of heavyweight chipboard. So I've got 2 pieces of the 12x12 chipboard. I have 6 total of the coordinating cardstock, 1 sheet of the stickers, and then 2 sheets each of this gorgeous pattern paper. And then the pack, look how gorgeous that yellow, it's called Lemon Luster, works with this collection. And then all these beautiful pieces of trim. Look how great this is going to be. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. And then the pop of blue with the twine, right? And then we've got our little ephemera packs. All right. So that is my design team package for April. I'm going to start working on a project now. So go run to the store, grab your supplies, and I will be back and I will share with you a great project using Echo Park's Winnie the Pooh Baby collection. I hope you like it because I know I do. All right. I'll talk to you later. Stay crafty. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.